Hi everyone, my name is Ritesh and you're watching Dancing with Jada. So, the maps that you see in front of you, actually these are the enhanced slicers, which will take UX in UR aspect of any visualization to the next level. Let me give you a short demo. So, if I just hover on West, you can see that it pops up, the size of the font increases, and it also shows the additional context in the form of tooltip over there. So it shows sales for West and it shows the respective state sales as well. Also, if I click on West, filter or the West records, East and Central. If it remains on Central is somewhat highlighted, so you understand that you are in Central for now. So if you're wondering from where you can get that, see that arrow over there, and above there, that's the old one. So with this new enhanced slicer, you are not only giving them, the business user, a better user experience, but also it has the additional capacity or capability to enhance the way you can add additional information or the way you can add additional context. So we will learn how to create it from scratch, especially that part is crucial, right? How you are going to get those images to your table and what is the correct URL, because that has not been mentioned in the official blog. Before we move further, I've already shown you that where it is. So it's a preview feature, so you have to first go and enable it. So we'll go to File and we'll go to Options, Settings, Options, and from there we will ensure that go to Preview, and from there we can ensure that your button slicer visual, this option is checked, and that's it. So let's do it from scratch, and you can see I have duplicated the detailed page and I have removed the new slicer. So let's do it from the scratch. So let us pick the new slicer, and after that this should be on region. So I have created a new table called region image where you have image link and region. Okay, let me go to transform data to make you understand what is the best way to insert the image links in a table. Let me click on transform data. So basically I used enter data option over there so that I can insert central, east and west image links. Remember that image links should end with .png, .gif, .kpg, etc. So let me try to open one. Let's go to source. Maybe I can copy the first one. So here we are. Let me just copy the link and paste. So that's perfect. That link is taking me to the PNG. So for example, if you're searching your map link at Wikipedia, and if you think that you're going to use this one, and if you click on this one, this is the link it will give, and it will end with .svg. And unfortunately, this will not work. So you need to ensure that you right click and copy image link to avoid such cases. So what I'm going to do is I will right click and I will say copy image link, and now you can see, you can just copy paste, and you can see at the end you can see .png. So that's the one that you really want. So now this table is part of my data model, and this is related with the orders table, and joining field is region, or the relationship field is region. Okay, now let's go back to the report view and select the region from region image table. So I have to select region, or maybe perhaps I can remove this one and ensure that this is of type new slicer. There you go. So somewhat you can see you do have, you don't have maps over there, but you do have the layout. So let us now work on formatting. First of all, I don't need the title there. In order to remove that, I go to the title. I need to go to format my visual. So first of all, in the format visual mode, I will first of all try to keep the title off. I don't want it over there. It's self-explanatory that these will be regions on. Okay, so let us try to format it. I go to format, shape, snip, tab, both top. So now we have to move over to a layout, and if you see it says arrangement grid, style card, so we want single row and cards, so that's it. So the next is the callout value, and that remains black. We are good with the font size, that is 12. Next we go to images, that's the important part. Now we go and add data. So now we need to add that field. So we go to add data, and after that I just put the image link, and boom, that's it. Okay, so for now I'm saying this as image fit as fill. Let's see if you want that as fill or fit. Transparency, I'm setting that as 20%. So I go to button
and padding I'll set as 20. I've set as 14, 14, 20, 28 in order to give some spacing over there. Now there is an important step. If you see under callout values, you have label as well, which is off for now. I open this, and after that I can add data over there. The data that I'm going to add is sales label. Now this is the formula, and that will help me to display even the sales values over there. Now so that will be pretty great. So let me go ahead, add data, label, sales label, and here you go. We'll increase the font size to 14 will be great. Also, I come back to my callout values. Right now this is at default state, but I want this to little bit expand when I hover over it. So that means I need to make it 24, something like that, where you will hover over it, remember. At the same time, I'm going to change the label font as well, that is 24. Change to 24. Now you can see the effect. Whenever you will hover, it will expand the sales value over there. Another important thing, you need to go to image and image fit. Now you can make this as normal. So it is more readable now. And of course, it will act like any slicer. If I click on central, so I get central records, east record, west record. So I hope, as far as this tooltip is concerned, please find the description, there you will find the detail. As promised, at Tableau as well, you have a similar feature where you can add web images dynamically to worksheet. At the end again, you can find the detailed information at description. So I hope this was an informative session, and I'll meet you again. Till then, it's bye bye from Ritesh. Keep on dancing with data, क्योंकि data ही दाता है, क्या तुमको सब कुछ आता है.